Hey guys, welcome back. Sorry that it's so loud, it's raining a lot. But I wanted to give you an update on my fireworks stash. So here it is. Hold on, let me get it out. I'll try and make this quick so I won't waste y'all's time, but But here, let's go with this one first. How do I switch it? Well, here this is. I should turn my. Hold on, let me turn my LEDs off so y'all can see it better. Right. Here it is. There's a fidget spinner with bottle rockets attached to it. Did I say this? Did I say that it's a modified fireworks stash? I don't know. Yeah, this is. You know those dynamite fireworks? I kind of made one like that. What? Like this. Yeah, I put a fuse in there and I put a fuse in there, then I put paper around it so it will take longer to burn. And the paper will hopefully not burn. Then I put it to another fuse inside. Then the fuse goes to the bottom, and there's a lot of powder in there, back there. And there's paper towels up here, right there, like in this spot. Then there's a lot of firecrackers right there. Yeah, that's my favorite part about it. But here, I made like these Nerf bullets. I put 6 firecrackers on each side. Yeah, I put 6 firecrackers on each side. Then I put a fuse in the middle, so it's like a 180. M80, boy, what? 180? But this is also 3 bottle rockets attached to 3 M98s. Yeah. That's all for today. Wait. And I made potassium nitrate and sugar mix. Potassium nitrate and sugar mix. It makes it cool. I think I found off a YouTuber. Yeah, it's like a homemade smoke for just a plain smoke flare. But yeah, alright. Thank y'all for watching and bye.